Hello everybody, tonight I am unboxing this Harry Potter Wizarding World Luna Lovegood and Patronus doll, and I really think she is really beautiful. She looks really cute, and I like the faces on these dolls, especially like the kids. They have made them to look like kids, and I try to make them look older. They look like they do in the movies series. I like the background on this one. It's and this is the Patronus. Is this the rabbit is like Patronus? You know, I haven't seen the movies in a while now, so except for 1 and 2, so I don't remember everything. Look at this. It's very dreamy. It's very beautiful. Patronus. I don't remember the scene, but I suppose it is a spell that, and she gets this Patronus out when she's spelling. I don't know what to say. Okay, here's an extra coat. Let's read. Got those. Ravenclaw coat. Of course. Oh, I like her shoes. Her shoes are really cute. They're like Mary Jane's. They are really cute. Really beautiful shoes. Oh, her hair is so soft and so beautiful, and her face is also beautiful. She looks like more or less like she does in the early films. Legs are very thin, but the shoes are really beautiful. Look at these. These are like Mary Jane's, and they really look like Mary Jane's. She has very long legs, and she's very I don't know, I wonder if Hermione's legs are like this as well. I have to check that, because she's like very long and very thin. I know she's a thin girl, but still. Maybe they have done the dolls extra thin, so you will realize that they are children and not adults, but still, I'm sure Hermione has the same legs, very thin legs. Well, I really like this doll. She's very pretty, and I don't remember this background. It's like where is this? It's a beautiful background still. It's a scene from a movie here when she. I have to see the films. So I will watch number 3 tomorrow. Okay. Thank you so much for watching this unboxing with me. Bye bye.